Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're looking at the website for BMO Harris Bank, found at https://www.bmoharris.com. This site serves as the digital storefront for BMO Harris Bank, offering a comprehensive suite of financial services for both personal and business customers. Navigating the site, you'll find options for everyday banking tasks such as checking account balances, transferring funds, and paying bills. Beyond these fundamental features, the website also provides access to more complex financial tools, including investment management, loan applications, and wealth planning resources. BMO Harris emphasizes its commitment to customer service, with prominent links to contact information, FAQs, and online support features. The website is designed with a focus on user experience, employing clear navigation menus and a visually appealing layout to help customers easily locate the information they need. Furthermore, the site features a robust security infrastructure to protect sensitive customer data and ensure safe online transactions. BMO Harris also leverages its online presence to offer educational resources and financial advice, catering to customers with varying levels of financial literacy. From understanding basic budgeting to exploring complex investment strategies, the website aims to empower customers to make informed financial decisions. The website also highlights BMO Harris's community involvement and its commitment to sustainable practices. Finally, BMO Harris utilizes its website to showcase its various products and services, outlining the benefits and features of each offering to help customers choose the best fit for their financial needs. They also provide details on branch locations and ATM access, making it easy for customers to find physical banking services in their area. The site emphasizes its mobile banking app, encouraging users to download it for convenient on-the-go banking.